Okay, everyone, take a seat. Here's what we've got. We've got an interesting one on our hands. The faces you see on your tablets are the Tran brothers. They come from a normal family up in Kauai. I know it's not our usual hunt, but we've got an arrest warrant for all three. An ongoing operation watching a car dealership in North Hills, which is a front for a weapons modification ring. We've got two guys on the inside at the dealership, and they noted that a lot of really interesting equipment is coming into the shop and being collected by Tau Tran. These parts are not your run-of-the-mill car parts either. We're talking about everything you need to convert a semi-automatic into a machine gun. These Tran boys are in above their heads and swimming in dangerous waters. The intel we got from inside the dealership is linking back to some large and very dangerous names. These boys don't know what they've gotten themselves into.
What are we looking for in the house?
I'm getting to that. Their eldest, An, is a mechanical engineer. They are getting the weapons from somewhere. He's modifying them in the attic with parts he orders from his North Hills dealership. We don't have the confirmation, but I suspect they are selling them through it too. Things are a little complicated though. The boys live at home still. Their parents are older and retired. The boy's mom, Hui Nguyen, is dying. She's got stage 4 lung cancer. She's the one who called us and gave us the information. Turns out they're struggling for money and can't afford her medical care. Her sons turned their hands to this as a means of getting enough cash to pay for her treatment and help get their dad out of debt.
Shit.
Yeah, and she's bedbound in the house. So when we get in there, we need to move quickly but carefully. I want a small team on the inside, with 2 teams waiting on sides 1 and 3 just in case things go south in a hurry. These boys are going to be armed, but I want to avoid a gunfight if we can do so. The parents will be home, and we have nothing tying them to the guns, but we need to clear that house. Mom included. We'll have an RA on the scene to assist. We need to get into that attic and secure as much as we can. We need the Trans to be taken in so we can learn more about what they're doing and who they're doing it for. Any questions? Any issues? Anything that's been missed? Great. Good luck out there. And stay safe.
911, this call's being recorded. What's your emergency?
Oh, yeah. I don't have one, but I think you need to send someone to 128 Windy Coast Drive in Kauai.
Sir, if you don't have an emergency, I'm gonna have to ask you to hang up.
Fine, but make sure you pass this through. Someone is modifying and selling illegal weapons through that address. 128 Windy Coast Drive in Kauai. You should send someone to check it out.
Can I take your name, please, sir?
No, just send someone to that address. That'll teach him.
Sir?
Oh, fuck.
Doc to Element. Suspects have taken refuge in the area and are refusing to cooperate. Move in, remember your ROE, and secure the area.
Element. Split the door.
Moving up.
Damn it. Locked. Get the lock.
I'll unlock it. Lock is picked.
Dynamic movement. Move and clear.
Opening on the right.
I got nothing here.
Drop it and get down.
Drop your weapons!
Clear over here, boss.
Not the best place to build a house.
Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Get down now! Arrest him.
Got him. Shut up and don't move.
I was
Suspect
just
cuffed
helping
and
them.
secure. Making it safe. Evidence. Good to go.
On me. Move.
Got your back.
Split and cover.
Doing it.
This is how you treat a family in need?
Unlocked.
Open it and clear it with a flash.
Got it. Banging it.
Raise your hands above your head.
Hands up! Got an opening here. Checking closet.
Get down on your knees! Down on your goddamn knees, now!
Searching the closets.
Good here. Keep an eye out. I've had someone slipped by me before.
Light stick.
Hands up now! Drop to your knees!
Dropping a chem light. Move and clear.
Roger.
Going in!
I'll get the bed.
Opening on the right. We should check.
Hands on your head!
Nothing.
Police, down on the ground! Get down on the floor, right now!
Provide support. Stay down and turn around.
Hands
Going
up
into
above
cover.
your head!
Whatever your excuse is, don't tell it to me.
LSPD! Drop the weapon now!
Get your hands up.
Not happening. Okay?
Safe.
Stay down and turn around.
Everything on my
I'll get them ready.
Leave my family
This is for the safety
alone.
of you, me, and my friends here. Good to go. Talk. Civilian secure.
Lead, this is Talk. Continue mission.
Got them all zipped up. Element stock. Suspect ready.
Talk reporting. Move on.
Enter and clear.
Getting into place.
Can you talk to me?
Moving in!
Opening on the right.
Up ahead.
Looks clear over here, boss. I got nothing here.
Just build them.
Split and provide cover on this
Ready.
door. Enter the room and clear.
Got it.
Moving!
Opening on the right.
Nothing here, sir.
What is wrong with you, man?
Post up and provide cover.
Need you to move.
We get a phone call, right?
Open and clear.
Roger.
Going in!
I'll get the closet. Good here. Empty over here. No
I'll
contacts.
check the bed.
I hope we did the right thing. Fuck, man. Oh, I knew this was a fucking mistake.
Fall in behind me.
You got a point. I'll get him ready. You'll be home soon. Cuffed and ready. Family. Entry team, talk. Civilian secure.
Putting down a
Talk
chem
to
light.
lead. Notifying trailers.
I don't get why you're mad at me. Vinny's the one acting
Chem
like
light
a
out.
fucking idiot.
You guys need to keep quiet about this. Stop
Chem light.
buying dumb stuff.
Police, drop the weapon! Police, don't fucking move! Put it down!
Cuff. Going into cuff. Suspect good to go. Good to go. Drop it and get down!
Shoot me, or I'll shoot you, motherfucker! Get back!
Move and clear.
Acknowledge.
Get down and keep your hands up! Hands up, now! Hands up, drag to your knees!
Opening on the right.
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
Good here.
Stay still.
Fuck! Talk. Suspect ready.
Elements, this is Talk. Trailers incoming.
Let's see what else they got, League.
Lead to Talk. Bagging it up.
Lead, this is Talk. Collect what you can and keep moving. Talk reporting. Great work, entry team. That's a wrap.